Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Claude AI on your laptop. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to any of the search engine, and then you gotta simply search for Claude. So once you have searched for that, you gotta simply head over to the official website of Claude. And once you do so, you'll be able to see an option that would ask you to download for Windows. So you gotta select whether you wish to download for macOS, Windows, or whichever operating system you have. So I have Windows, I'm gonna go with download for Windows, and then you'll be able to see an installer getting downloaded over here. That is basically the Claude setup. So once it has been downloaded, you can simply run the installer and you'll be able to see it says installing Claude. So it is basically 220 MB. So simply wait for Claude to get installed. After that, you'll be able to see a pop-up that would say get started. So simply click on that. And now it says to continue with Google or continue with email. So if you don't have an account already, you can simply create one by clicking on continue with Google. Simply click on continue with Google and sign into your account. Once you do so, you'll be able to see that you have successfully logged into Claude and now you can enjoy using Claude. You can simply send it any sort of prompt that you want to do so. And here you'll be able to see chat, co-work, and code. So you can enjoy using Claude, and that's basically how you can install Claude on your laptop.